Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you guys how to make a thank you card in Microsoft Word. So first, go to File, then click on New to create a new document. Then here in the search bar, type thank you, then click on the search icon. Now here you have multiple options and multiple templates to choose from. Select one of them, like this one for example. Then click on Create to edit your thank you card. Now to edit a text, just click on it and type your message. You can also go to the Insert tab and insert a picture or a shape, icons, smart art, 3D models, and so on. And you can go to Design to change the design and layout to change the layout of the table. And once you're done, just go to File and click on Save or Save As. Then select the location where you want to save your document. Then click on Save. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.